Welcome to Apollo G++ installation guide. This is a 5-step guide, easy to master, and this guide will help you to install Apollo G++ and be able to trade with it on your MetaTrader 5. So let's start. Step 1 is downloading and copying the bot. So if you bought the bot, then you probably have it sent to you via my official email or my official Telegram profile. And now I believe you have the bot copied. Now, step 2 is to prepare MetaTrader 5 to be able to communicate well with your bot and be able to execute trade on your platform. So we will head on to File up there. Then we head on to Open Data folder. Then MQL5. Then Expert. And we need to paste the bot here. So if you have the bot copied, you're going to have to click Paste. And we're going to have the bot there. So I copied Apollo G++ Global for this illustration. And we also have Apollo G++ Invisible. Then after that, you just click off this window. You have had Apollo bot already copied to your MetaTrader 5. That is not all. You need to prepare MetaTrader to be able to acknowledge that there's a bot here that needs to trade. So you are preparing environment for your bot to be able to trade on your MetaTrader 5. So step 3 is going to Tools, up there, Tools, then down to Options, then to Expert Advisors tab. You see this one here. This is the Expert Advisors tab. Then ensure, before this setting, you'll always have all these boxes unchecked. So you check the first box and the last 2 boxes. Then there's a special link that I'll give you that will enable you to communicate with the bot. Every client has a special link. So this one here is just for example. Let me just say, maybe I gave you a link. Let's say your name is Kara. So maybe your link will be kara.apollo.com, something like that. Then you'll have it there. So after that, you just click OK. So this link here comes with the instruction PDF for each client. So yours will be here. So just click OK and proceed to the next level. So what you've just done is to ensure the bot is copied and pasted on MetaTrader 5. And the second thing is ensuring that the MetaTrader 5 knows that the bot is there, and preparing environment for the bot to be able to function on MetaTrader 5. So the 4th step is actually identifying your bot, checking if your bot is present. So we have a tab here, View. Then on the View drop down, check for Navigator. You can click Control+N or just come here to View, then click Navigator. So since mine is already there, I can click Control+N or just View Navigator to get it back. So you see it here, waiting for it. There we go. So you need to locate Expert Advisors and right click and click Refresh. You should see the new bot. You see we had the other bot, now there are 2. Then after getting your bot here, you still don't need to add it to chart. You want to confirm the last thing before you add it to chart. You have to come here, up here, and ensure that algo trading icon is green, not red. When it is green, it means the environment is ready for the bot to trade. So you just come here and click Apollo G++ global and click and drag to your chart. After dragging to your chart, this allow algo trading is ticked because we already prepared the environment. Then just click OK. So I wanted you to check here. It says invalid license for Apollo G++. Purchase or renew your license. So that means this account is not licensed with Apollo G++ Global. So let me drag Apollo G++ Invincible. Then just click OK. Now you'll see it writes Apollo G+ license verified, Apollo G++ license still active. So this one was licensed on this demo account, so it can work. Now if you check the top right corner of your chart, you see Apollo G++ invisible with a blue cap. That blue cap means this green cap is green, is working, and also means algo trading is turned on. The robot can execute trades by itself now. And just wait for the robot to now do its thing. All the information about the robot will be down here. Whatever robot is doing, whether it places a sell or a buy, whatever, if it exits trade, you'll be seeing everything here, which is not a must. Always keep that tab on. Yeah, so the next thing that is optional that you might want to do is to now have your bot operate on VPS. Yeah, you can always acquire the VPS on MetaTrader, or MetaTrader's VPS is not very good, not reliable. You can always check on, I think it's called Forex VPS. There's so many companies that are offering stable and fast VPS over there. If you are trading with the IC markets, they have one. If you're trading with XNES and your account is over 500 or 1,000 and you've been trading, I think, a volume of, I don't know, 1 million volume of trade, they offer VPS for you as long as you have a minimum balance of $500. So that is one condition. You can get a VPS. IC Market has VPS for its clients, and a couple more brokers do so. But you can as well source for VPS from external sites. You don't need to use the broker's VPS. Yeah, so I think the step-by-step instruction was good. There's one step. That one will be named step 5.1. Now, step 5.1 now needs you to populate this watch window or market watch with the currencies that the robot is trading. So Apollo G++ trades yen, trades gold, trades major currency pairs, and also trades Bitcoin. It depends on which version you took. So if you took the version that trades Bitcoin or all those I've mentioned, all you need to do is just ensure that you have Euro USD on your chart, GBP USD on your chart, USD JPY on your chart, Euro JPY on your chart, Bitcoin, BTC USD, ETH USD, GBP card. Like, check this list. You have UK 100, US 30. Let me just add some symbols here. Just come to symbols and ensure that you've marked all that I'm going to mark here. So let me just remove all this and add with you step by step. Adding these symbols help the robot to execute trades automatically, knowing that the symbols are on your MetaTrader. Yes, even if you are setting a VPS, you migrate all these settings with the VPS so that when the robot sends a signal, it identifies all this in your terminal. So let's check on the Forex pairs first. I just wanted to add all AUD, all this AUD JPY, AUD USD, CAD JPY, Euro AUD Euro CAD, Euro JPY, Euro USD, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP JPY, AUD CAD. Don't have the Kenya shillings. It has crazy spread. GBP USD with currencies NZD USD, NZD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF. Yeah, that's all for currency. Go to indices. This one, does it have indices? With indices, just had US 30, NAS 100, and German 30. This broker's demo doesn't have that. Crypto had Bitcoin and Ethereum only. BTC, USD, and ETH not ETH Euro, ETH USD. Then metals, gold. I can see XAU USD. Just add XAU USD, and I think you will be good. With all that, you should be good. And that's all you need. That's all you need. You needed to ensure that all the currencies the robot is trading is not far away from your terminal. It's all in your market watch, so that when it wants to trade any, it's able to easily access and fire trade. Yeah, I think the guide has been a successful one. If you have any question, you can always ask. I offer full support to all my clients across the globe. Full support, fully available anytime, every single day. And again, we have a PDF guide. So if you're good with PDF, there's a PDF guide. If you can do with a video, if you can do with a tool, it's all on you. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best with Apology++. God bless you.